Welcome to Netgear Extender Support. In this video we are going to learn about how to set up our Netgear EX3700 range extender device. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Netgear EX3700 is one of the best Netgear range extenders available in the market. EX3700 can help you to extend your home network up to 1000 meter. This extender supports dual band. There are 3 ways to set up your Netgear Wi-Fi extender setup. First, manual method. Second, using WPS method. Third, without Ethernet cable. If unable to set up Netgear Wi-Fi extender using Mywifiext extension local. Unable to connect with Mywifiext extension. Connected to full internet, but the internet not working. Slow internet connection. LED light continues to blink. Unable to connect to the Netgear extension network. The site shows the error message you are not connected to your extender's Wi-Fi network. Facing any one of these issues, get in touch with an expert. Common issues faced during setup your Netgear EX3700 using Mywifiext.net. First is, unable to connect with Mywifiext. Connected to the internet, but the internet not working. Slow internet connection. LED light continues to blink. Unable to connect to the Netgear extension network. The site shows the error message, you are not connected to your extender's Wi-Fi network. Your extender does not support WPS. Netgear range extender default password is not correct. In case still faces a problem with setting up your range extender, get in touch with Netgear expert. Common issues faced during WPS method. Unable to connect with the extender network. Connected but internet not working. WPS LED light keep blinking. Router does not support the WPS method. Slow internet connection. Common ways to troubleshoot WPS setup problem. Try restarting your Wi-Fi range extender device. Make sure devices are close to each other in same room. Try resetting the extender device. In case still faces problem, get in touch with an expert.
Can I set up Netgear extender using the WPS method?
Yes, you can set up your extender using the WPS method.
How can I set up my range extender using my Wi-Fi extension? Net.
Just log in and follow all the steps explained in the video.
Mywifiext.net shows error. What to do?
Try changing your web browser and make sure you are going right.
How do I log into my Netgear extender?
It's more simple than you think. Open Mywifiext and enter your login credentials, and you are done. For a full step-by-step guide, visit WiFiExtensionSetup.com.
Unable to log in into Mywifiext.net?
There are a variety of reasons why you are unable to access Mywifiext.net. Then try visiting other extensions such as My Wi-Fi extension local or 921681250. If the problem persists, try our troubleshooting tips for Netgear extender.
How can I connect my TV with the Netgear range extender?
Just go to your TV and look for the Wi-Fi setting. Make sure you are in range of the Wi-Fi extender. And connect using the password set.
What if I still face the problem?
Get in touch with one of our experts at +1 888 245 4797 toll number for free consultation.